Today I am present here in front of you all for debate. And my topic is development of AI to help humanity. And we are here in favor of the motion. So let's talk about AI.
Okay, wait.
Artificial intelligence. It enables the machines and computers to simulate human learning, comprehension activities, and many other things. It helps us in many activities like
And I'm the favor of the artificial intelligence. It will help humanity. So basically, this is the generation of technology. This generation develops a lot, and artificial intelligence will help for our learning skills and many activities. So I think artificial intelligence will.
The development of AI will help humanity. AI is very useful for us as it makes work easier for us.
Kumar Singh, and I am here in this debate competition, and I am in the favor of motion that the development of AI will help humanity. So, in this developing era, AI is a very good invention as it makes our complex things very easier.
Standing here in front of you all to present my points on the debate competition, and my topic is against the development of AI will not help humanity.
Myself Sunny Tiwari and I am from Standard 9. Today I am here to stand for the topic for the debate. I am against of the topic the development of AI will help humanity because many job losses are there, job displacements are there, and are there, bias are there.
We are talking about the health sector. So how can you say that AI is not helping in the health sector? It is playing a vital role in the health sector as there are major critical surgery that a human cannot do. Human cannot do very easily, and but with the upcoming of AI, that surgeries have become more easier, and that surgery could be done with zero error.
Make humans lazy as we depended on AI totally. We cannot use our own skills.
AI becomes lazy. AI is not coming from air, it is developed by humans. Humans are being lazy, humans are developing, it makes the human beings more curiosity about how to develop. And it's the human nature to learn about and speak about new things and discover it.
Human are developing. I agree to that point that human are developing. That's why they made AI. But AI is developed, and the developed humans make AI. After developing AI, then all human are.
How can you say that it will not protect humanity? If you are scrolling something, you are not saying that it is also wrong. Sometimes are also good that things. They create a learning things and a lot of things which make our skills grow. And humans are inventing the robotics. They are using in a restaurant also. They can working like a independent also. And you can see the humans will not independent. How can? If they are inventing the robots, then they are not mad. They are inventing robots. Okay.
They are using social media to getting more information.
Robots are in restaurants. Robots are used to serve people, but it causes unemployment in humans. As robots serve people, so it increases unemployment. It displaces the humans. So how do you say that AI helps us?
Everything we get from here, that's why it is not, I think it's not being unemployment, but it's not getting unemployment, it's creating employment for many other people. AI means that computers or machines that can enable humans to create. I have given the example so here. It does not use internet. It is using her own intelligence. That's why it is artificial intelligence created by human beings.
AI to develop. I am saying that if a single person is getting job from the developed AI, many of them are getting distracted from their job or displaced from their job due to the developed AI work.
Wait, hold.
Many people who are working on the IT sectors, and they are
Figures has told, which is Elon Musk, that AI could completely destroy humanity, and it's right.
it is making things easier to diffuse the bomb in the encounter there. It is making things easier to search for something in the deepest of the ocean. AI is developed now.
Very good. I'm so impressed by you.
The main point is dependence on data. AI requires a vast amount of data which may not be available every time and can cause harm to others.
Actually, we are questioning on the topic on this thing, and you are going out of the topic on data consuming.
I'm sorry.
Actually, okay, you are talking about data consuming. Okay, chat. Yeah. Alexa does not consume data.
You just try to hear my point. I'm trying to explain data. It interprets data from us, from our personal talks, our personal hidings, our personal information, and it sells us to other companies, and it cause harm. Like a miscellaneous virus cause harm to our daily life and phone.
How this is possible? Is AI is asking anything about your personal information? Your data in AI is end-to-end encrypted, and you are telling that AI is snatching your information and giving it your information to another places. How your data is end-to-end encrypted in AI?
Have you ever heard about hacking? I can take your data from a single link. I can send you a link. If you by mistake click on it, I will get all your information, all your messages, all your data, all your chats, and all your other data and personal important data which cannot be interpreted in the social media, but I can interpret it without your information and being of privacy and consent.
And the thing that you told me now, you will able to do this with the help of AI. You cannot do without the help of AI.
If you search in AI how to easy answer, just say easy answer.
It's a human fault. How they are related to it.
I'm not against
Good proficiency. We can say that AI is the second human with zero errors. When you will put your task when you will guide AI, then it will be of zero errors. It will reduce your risk taking. It is 24/7 availability. It has 24/7 availability and it is very useful in artificial uses also. And most prominently, AI is not emotional actually. It is very practical. It helps in decision making. If we take any decision from humans are emotional, but AI is practical. It helps in decision making. It gives very true decision. It does not give unbiased decision. It also helps in time management.
From all discussions, we lastly conclude that AI is most important and it should be developed and it will help the humanity at any cost.
Humans ask from that robot only that what it do with humans and it cancel that I will destroy humanity.
Good morning, my name is Master. Today I am here for the debate. I am in favor of homework should be banned. Homework should be banned because homework gives a lot of pressure to students, and because of the pressure, the students' mental health has been pressurized. That's why students can focus on their studies.
And I am in the opposition of homework notes should be banned. Homework notes should be banned because of reinforced revision learning. In reinforced revision learning, students are allowed to practice what
From standard 8 and I am here in the favor of homework should be banned. Homework should be banned because we get too much homework and for that we all time do the homework. From that we are not able to do any physical activity which can affect our health and mind also. Thank you.
party and I am in the opposition that homework should be banned. Homework should not be banned. Basically, there's not lot of homework that they are doing. I don't think so that we get too much of homework. We practice and all revise whatever we have supposed to do, and it helps us in scoring better grades and evaluating ourselves more and more.
My name is Ananda. I am from standard 7B. I am in the favor of homework should be banned. Homework should be banned because students are pressurized to do homework and they all time do homework. Then they did not get time to do other activities, spend time with friends and go outside and play. And this can affect their
because it teaches us to study effectively and time management.
Helps us in scoring better grades, as I said, and it also improves our study time, study habits, and we learn to do our own work, and we used to do and write our own answers. Because if we will do all the answers, we can't score better grades by reading it and by doing everything by heart. We have to learn and understand whatever the answer is, and we can do this by practicing homework and revising whatever was given in the class.
Change the students' behavior towards the teachers.
Too much homework can when we do too much homework, it can affect the family relationship also. When we do too much homework, we didn't even proper time to our family and ourselves also.
But in our daily life, we have too much of time to give the time to our family members.
Too much time because we go to schools and we have tuitions too. But when we do our homework, it takes a lot of time, and in a student's life, there's not a lot of time.
Everybody 24 hours only, even it's not matter because our prime ministers also have 24 hours in their daily lives and we also have 24 hours. So it's our time to manage the time, and we should learn how to manage the time basically.
get enough time to complete the homework because he has to do practices and play matches. So the homework should be banned because if they don't do the homework because of the practices, and then teacher punish them and blame them on the situation.
But he have to know about the managing of time.
Student get too much homework. Sometimes he is not able to manage time and he is unable to do homework, which can punish him and not be able to catch up to the syllabus because of the homework he has to do. And if he leave the homework, then teacher will punish him.
You all are saying only one point that you all have time issues basically, and as we said, you should know how to manage the time. And if you will take only one point that how to manage time, then it's not our problem. Basically, you all know that you study at home or not. So teachers know that because teacher is teacher.
I'm saying that we should manage time, but because of homework, we can't manage time. In this today's era, the education system is so much worse that the teachers tell us to learn about something that is hard rather than that is important.
Build self-discipline and do our work in the proper time management, in the proper way, in the proper time management. Yes, we study effectively and time management.
Homework teaches us to solve critical problems, and it can develop our thinking skills which help in our solve critical problems.
What you are saying is about critical that it's not about critical thinking. It's not about learning from things from the surface.
Homework also gives problem solving skills and enhance the problem solving.
Saying that homework is problem solving skill, but a student can copy from of the internet, and this can affect their performance in the study.
Your team member only said that most of the students don't have the access to internet, so how they will do it? Because if we will do everything by internet, then what's the need of school and tuitions that you are studying? If you will do, teachers say that if you are having any doubt, then ask. Why teachers give you homework? Do you ever think about that? Homeworks are necessary basically. If you won't get homework, you will be busy in playing and doing, because most of the students don't study at home. Very rarely students used to study at home. And all of you know that you won't study at home.
You are repeating the same point. You are repeating the same point from the starting of the debate. So try something new. Homework is necessary because homework helps us to get grade better in our exams.
But children can't do their self-study to do homework.
Everything is based in self-study. Then what's the need of homework, as you are saying that? Because homework is study. What you will like to say about the subject like maths? Because in that we need practice, and we do practice and revise the equations and problems by doing homework. That's why teachers assign homework. Or else what's the need of homework that you are saying? Because student can enhance themselves and they can prosper in their life by doing homeworks.
These self-solving skills, not homework.
Time by going out make you socialize person, then it's very good. We all time, if we spend our all time by doing homework, what will in every week and in weekend you can solve the problem.
If you will see, then we don't get that much of homework as you are explaining. We don't get that much homework, and from starting you are saying that the time, because as I said, students need only 4 hours to sleep. So you can manage time by a few. Nobody can help you with that. You have to manage your time. You will.